Buenos tardes, amigos. Chappie here. I'm in sunny Mexico. We got a great episode coming up. First up, Appies with Chappie by the lake. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the lake. I'm Chappie. This is Badger substituting in for Mookie, but don't worry, Mookie will be back next week. So for Appies today, I'm going to do some flatbread on the barbecue, flatbread pizza, and I got some arancinis, which are little Sicilian rice balls. Arancini means little orange, but they're just actually rice balls with cheese in them. And we're going to do a little bit of antipasto with tortilla chips. So we need a drink to go with our appetizer, don't we, Badger? So we're going to make a Yale Cocktail. All right, you're gonna have to help me out here, Badge. All right, so I got my cocktail shaker, and I'm gonna go a little bit of ice, and we're gonna go 3/4 ounce of blue carousel. One and 1/2 ounce of gin. And a 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth, and a shot of Angostura bitters. And we're gonna give that a shaky. And we got a nice tropical glass, Badger. Oh, it's a nice color of blue. And I got a little pineapple for garnish. And that's Appies with Chappie by the lake. We're gonna get my flatbread on the barbecue right now. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. This is Badger. What's that, Badge? Oh, Badge says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.